Have you ever looked at a situation and thought, it's over. Nothing can change this anymore? That's exactly what the prophet Ezekiel saw, a valley filled with dry bones. Not one skeleton, not a few bones, an entire valley filled with dry, lifeless bones. Humanly speaking, there was absolutely no hope. But what God did next reminds us that no situation is beyond His power. The story is found in Ezekiel 37, verse 1 to 14. The hand of the Lord brought Ezekiel into a valley full of dry bones. God led him back and forth among them. There were bones everywhere, and they were very dry. Then God asked Ezekiel a surprising question.
Son of man, can these bones live?
Ezekiel answered, O Lord God, you know. Then God told Ezekiel to speak His word to the bones, so Ezekiel obeyed. As he prophesied, there was suddenly a rattling sound. Bone came together with bone, tendons appeared, flesh covered them, skin formed over them, but there was still no breath in them. Then God gave another command. He told Ezekiel to prophesy to the breath. When he obeyed, the breath entered them. The dry bones stood on their feet as an exceedingly great army. Then God explained the meaning of the vision. The dry bones represented the whole house of Israel. They believed all hope was gone because they had been taken into exile. They even said, Our bones are dried up, our hope is lost, and we are cut off. Ezekiel 37, verse 11. But God promised to restore them, bring them back to their land, and breathe new life into them. This vision was first a promise of restoration for Israel, but it also reveals something wonderful about God's character that still encourages believers today. God specializes in bringing hope where people see only hopelessness. He restores what seems impossible. He brings life where everything appears dead. Maybe your faith feels dry. Maybe your dreams seem buried. Maybe your family is broken. Maybe you've prayed for years without seeing change. Remember this: the God who brought life to a valley full of dry bones has not changed. Nothing is impossible for Him. His power is never limited by what seems impossible to us. No situation is beyond Him. As Jesus said, with man this is impossible, but with God all things are possible. Matthew 19, verse 26. And the Apostle Paul reminds us, Now unto Him that is able to do exceeding abundantly above all that we ask or think, according to the power that worketh in us. Ephesians 3, verse 20. The valley of dry bones reminds us that our hope is never based on our circumstances. Our hope is based on the God who gives life where there seems to be only death. No matter what dead situation you're facing today, don't give up. Keep trusting Him. Keep praying. Keep believing. Because the God who spoke life into dry bones is still working today. If this message encouraged you, comment, My hope is in God. Like, share, and follow for more Bible truths, powerful stories, and faith-filled content.